Here's another home tour in Mussomeli, Sicily. As you can see, there's plenty of parking in front of this home. It's 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. As you enter, the bedroom's on the left, and it's the entire floor. The furnishings do come with this home, and that wardrobe is large and stunning in person. I believe that bed is a queen size, and as you can see, there is a twin bed at the end. I would take that out and put a sofa, and there's not really room upstairs for a living room, so having that sofa and then against the wall a TV would be perfect. There's a storage closet as well. You can put shelves in, but you really don't need it because that wardrobe is so big. Going upstairs, do not ask me why there's a twin bed in the kitchen. Probably because there's not a guest room, but the kitchen is fairly new and it's in great condition. You can have a large dining table in there. Now, this back door here, I didn't go up there, but the gentleman that was with me said it's a large storage area, but you could throw some pillows down for reading, a library, but it really wasn't large enough for a bedroom, he said. It didn't have the height. In this back corner, that's the bathroom door. The bathroom has space for a stackable washer and dryer, and there's also space to enlarge the shower if you wanted to. All the fixtures in the bathroom were in good condition, and really nothing would need to be done in there. The kitchen does have a balcony off of it. The downstairs bedroom had a Juliet balcony, so just the railing, but you could actually go outside on the balcony here. This home is priced at €17,000. It is negotiable, and again, it includes the furnishings. The contact information will be included in the description, and you can find updates on this property on our YouTube channel, The Amateurs Abroad. I'm going to show you walking down the stairs because I want you to look at the roof when we're walking down. It does need, or the ceiling, I'm sorry, it does need some work done on it, but, it's probably something you could do yourself. Now, under the house is more storage. The storage, again, is the same size as the entire bedroom, so you could easily put a workshop if you wanted, or maybe even a wine cellar.